Stevens, a stylist with over 10 years experience, and today we're at Tech Salon in Costa Mesa, California. In this clip, I'm going to talk to you about using box hair color and avoiding turning your hair orange. Hair will only turn orange when you're lightening your current color, not going darker. Orange is the underlying pigment at a natural level 7, which is a medium brown. If you are lightening hair to a level 7 or lighter, orange will be the tone that you see unless you choose a color with ash or blue tones to neutralize the orange that is naturally in the hair. Make sure that when you're choosing your color, you look for a color that has ash or blue in the name of the color. I always recommend when you're changing your hair color dramatically to see a stylist for the best results. And those are my tips for using box hair color and not turning your hair orange.